excited to share with you today a mantra Kriya called Kirtan Kriya in Kundalini Satanama. And in this Kriya, we allow ourselves to dive into the mantra using our fingertips, connecting the thumb and the mantra, and kind of like going in an altered state of reality to let go of all that mental chatter that comes through. And to start, I'm going to invite you, you don't have to do this, but frankincense oil is a beautiful essential oil that really grounds the system, connects you to your spiritual essence, higher self, God consciousness, whatever that looks like for you. And so you'll just start with one drop of oil. And to start, you'll place the palms together, take a couple deep inhalations to get yourself into this presence, to let go of all attachments to what happened before this very moment. And after that, this is a really grounding oil. So you may want to place this on your feet, your heart, the back of the neck, whatever feels called for you today. And so to start, this mantra typically goes for about 12 minutes. And so we're only going to do 7 minutes. And with this mantra, this Yogi Bhajan said this would brings mental clarity and balance to the individual psyche. And so whatever's coming through for you as far as finding more balance, use that intention during this practice with this meditation with the mantra to evoke that greater mental balance for yourself. So I'm just going to start the timer. And so all will be sharing this mantra with you with your fingertips. And I invite you to start to look at the tip of your nose, finding your seat, so rooted down through the hips, lengthening the spine, shoulders back and down. And start to tune in as I say with you. You can speak out loud or to yourself. Beginning. Sa, ta, na, ma. With the fingertips. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. So the palms are on the knees. Ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Closing the eyes this time. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Allow your voice to be heard. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Looking at your third eye, internal gaze, or at the tip of your nose. Really focusing your awareness to right here, right now. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Releasing all thoughts, finding that rhythm with the fingertips, really pressing into the fingertips together, the thumb and all fingers. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Feeling the space you're creating as you sing and feel this mantra radiating through all cells of your being. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, slowly come into more of a whisper. Sa ta na sa ta sa ta sa ta sa ta na ma sa ta sa Satanama, 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 Satanama. Keep feeling your fingers with the mantra. Every moment is a direct moment to come back to your breath, the mantra, and feeling yourself opening your awareness to greater peace, greater presence. Satanama, Satanama. Coming into more of the silence. So these last minute or so, I'm going to invite you to whisper to the internal dialogue, into your internal soul, your heart. Using the fingers to guide you with the mantra. Notice already how present, more aware, more balanced you may feel. Watching how the stories start to dissolve. You become more union, yoke. Yoga is unifying yourself to yoke. All places of your intelligence. Last few rounds. Satanama, 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 Satanama. Canceling timer, and take a Gyan mudra ending here with the pointer finger and the thumb, keeping the eyes closed. And notice the effects. Notice this balance, this harmony. Drawing your awareness down into your hips, feeling the connection of Mother Earth rising up, grounding down this energy. Feeling the expansion and contraction with each breath. Breathing into the belly, letting all tension release in the pelvic floor. Letting the belly be soft and receptive and open. Drawing energy up into the rib cage, the diaphragm. Breathing up into your heart, your lungs. Feeling all tension release down into your arms. Feeling this connection, maybe vibrations or sensations happening. New channels are being born. New openings. New wisdom. Breathing up into your throat, into the third eye, the skull, and out through the crown of the head, connecting to all realms. And in this place of peace, we drop into our heart, asking yourself what really called you to practice today. What is your heart longing for? Tell the truth. Really allow the truth to be revealed. Everything we do on our mat is a reflection of our external world. So living in Satya, which is truthfulness, how can we bring that into our awareness now to expose what really is calling our heart and our soul to be revealed, to be healed, to be felt, to be seen? Let it be real. And in that space of truth, what is your choice? What are you calling in to choose to balance out in harmony, in harmonious equilibrium? If you feel pain or anxiety or fear, mothering your own heart can be the start. Asking your heart, what does it really need right now? And how can you give that to your heart? Okay, and finding that choice, dropping that choice into your heart, choosing more openness, more willingness, more courage. And in that courage, choosing courage, can you remember? What do you need to remember in this precious moment, right here, right now? Feeling a connection with your higher self, the infinite source of who you really are. You didn't come here to live in fear. We came here to live in love. So how can you bring more love, more peace, more balance into the very nature of your soul right now? Instead, taking your left palm and placing it on your heart and your right palm on the belly. And anchor in what you need to remember in this moment. I am guided. I am strong. I am loved. And I am supported. Feel that in every cell of your being. And self-sourcing that. Knowing that you can access this truth. In this space of deepening your connection, truly make a choice for the rest of your day to remember that you have the medicine. You are the key. You have all the answers. Trust that. Last breath, inhale, trust. And exhale, trust. Letting go of all fears and doubts and melt them away. I trust, I trust, I trust. Opening the eyes, placing your palms at your heart center, bowing down in your heart for opening and taking yourself on this inward journey today. Thank you so much for showing up in truth. Sending you all my love. Namaste. To the light in me honors and loves and sees the light within all of you.